Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about how to detach from your SP and the importance of that. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You also wouldn't want to miss out on one-on-one coaching with me where I guide you to your desired reality step by step. What I can say for a fact is that my emails are laced with literal magic. If you would like to be spoiled, if you would like the attention to be all on you, if you would like to be brought to your desired reality as soon as possible with me in the ringer with you, sign up today at RitaKaminski.com or click the first link in the description box down below. I know you want to. I have also just released my first line called It's Already Done by Rita Kaminski. Be advised, this is not normal merch. The thing about these shirts, hoodies, cases, mugs, totes, and notebooks is that they literally have It's Already Done on them. So every single time you look at your phone case or your bag, or when you're having a coffee in the morning and scripting, you are reminded that every single thing that you are manifesting is already done right now. It is a constant reminder, a constant alarm clock that you are in the state of the wish fulfilled now. I know you are itching to cop this merch. You are salivating at the mouth. So the link will be in the description box down below. Listen, I know how daunting, how painful, how difficult it can be to manifest your SP and not see any results. I know the feeling of attaching everything to that SP, making my entire life revolve around an SP. The thing that we need to constantly remember is that as soon as we detach, as soon as we distract ourselves from anything that feels just a little bit better, they come around. I am not saying to let go of your desire. You would already know that by now if you have been on my channel for more than a second. However, when we finish setting a time of the day to manifest this specific person, we need to still live our lives and distract ourselves as much as possible. As painful as it feels in the moment, as much as we want to keep ruminating on it and frantically manifesting for this person to come into our lives, trust me, I promise you, if we accept and let that pain sit there and keep going on with our day, asking ourselves what feels the best for us to do right now, and what feels the best for us to do right now, and what feels the best for us to do right now, they will literally do all of the work. You will not need to do anything. And I highly, highly, highly advise for you to not do a single thing. You believe in the law of assumption, right? You know that you are the operant power, right? So why are you putting in any of the work in the 3D? Let them come to you. This is exactly what happened when I texted my ex, now my partner, who I am living with. February 2023, I flew from New York, where I resided, to Australia to see my family and get my documents sorted and just see my friends, all of that kind of stuff. It literally hit me to contact my ex. Spoiler alert, I'm now living with him. However, when I contacted him, he was a little bit adamant to catch up. He said that he was busy. As much as I did not like hearing that, I remembered the Neville Goddard story, where he was stationed somewhere in World War II as a soldier, and he wanted to come back to his wife and little child. And so he came to his boss and asked, hey, can I be let go of? And the guy was like, absolutely not. Who do you think you are? And all Neville said was, okay. He detached from the story. He knew that it was bullshit. He knew that circumstances didn't matter. And he kept on staying in the state of the wish fulfilled until that general himself called Neville to his office to be let go of. See, there doesn't have to be a reason, a logical explanation to anything. Your only job is to believe in the law of assumption, believe in yourself, accept whatever it is that you may be feeling right now, and for the love of God, just detach. Keep staying in the state of the wish fulfilled. do sats, affirm, visualize, script, do whatever it is that you want to do. But when you find yourself itching to text him, when you find yourself thinking and obsessing over him, stop it and ask yourself, this is all you need to do, really. What feels the best for me to do right now? When we really ask ourselves, and setting aside from the fact that you want to be with your SP, we get that, that's obvious. Setting aside that, what is it that you want to do right now? It can be as big or as small as you want. I literally had a flight to catch in a week where I had no idea when I would be back in Australia. I said, okay. I pretended like it did not happen. I distracted myself by going on walks, by seeing my friends, by going to Hunter Valley, by seeing my family. I did not speak about it to anyone. I did not even speak about it to myself. I kept calm, I kept quiet, and I kept consistently staying in the state of the wish fulfilled. When I felt that like negative emotion feeling, I distracted myself. I asked myself, what would feel the best for me to do right now? So it usually was, I'm gonna take a walk, literally just enjoy my day, look at the ocean, listen to my music, make the best of this moment. Sometimes it would have been laying in my bed and watching TikTok videos because that brought me the most joy at that moment. I did not outright manifest him because we had a little bit of a different story, and if you want to see that story, the card will be up above. However, I suggest for you to do sats in the evening where you are feeling like he's sleeping next to you and you are living with him, or you have just read his good night text. Keep it as simple as possible, or visualize a scene where we're holding hands together, or affirm, I'm in a happy relationship with SP until you fall asleep. You can do as many techniques as possible for as long as you want throughout the day, as long as they're making you feel good. If they're making you feel like shit and they're reminding you of the lack of not having this person, I highly suggest to detach and follow your happiness by asking yourself, what would feel the best for me to do right now? Again, you do not have to be over the moon going to Cancun tomorrow. We are doing the best with what we physically have in this moment in time. So my cat is taking a nap behind me. I have an option to finish this video, go pet my cat. Or I have an option to finish this video and take down my laundry. Or I have an option to go and edit this video as soon as I finish filming with it. Or I have an option to talk to my clients. Or I have an option to go film TikTok videos. Or I have an option to take my bikini out and lay in the sun. Whatever it is, you have limitless possibilities. So no matter how many techniques you do or do not do, your first job is your happiness. Your happiness is the prize. When either you are happy or content or just distracted or feeling a percentage better from what you felt when you were ruminating about this person, you are going to attract him like honey to a bee, like a moth to a flame. So in conclusion, we are picking 1 or 2 or 3 techniques that make us feel good, that make us feel excited. We are doing them for as much or as little as possible throughout the day. And when you are not physically consciously manifesting using your techniques, we are detaching. We are asking ourselves, what feels the best for us to do right now? That is your higher self telling you exactly where to go to lead you to that manifestation. It is going to be so much easier for you to detach, to distract yourself when you are doing the thing that makes you feel the happiest, the best in this moment. It's all going to come together. It has already all come together. It's already done. So say it with me now. It's already done. It's already done. It is already done. You've got this in the bag. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.